Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Today I have some collections on dress materials and two sarees on chiffon designer wear. Okay, the dress material has the slub silk as top and the cotton as pant. And the dupatta will be pure Banarasi dupatta. Okay, so I have a different the work in the top will be hand embroidery. Each and every piece will have a different embroidered design in the top. The top will be plain with the embroidery. I will show you and I will explain you along with the fabrics. Okay, I will be moving with the dress materials. Okay, this is the dress material. Okay, it's actually a light it's shaded with a peach color. It's a light pink shade. Okay, the dupatta is a pure Banarasi dupatta. The length will be 2.15 meter. Sorry, 2.25 meter. So each and every dupatta will be having a different design. This is a pure Banarasi dupatta. Okay, and you have the cotton pant. And this is the top. So this is the top. You have this kind of hand embroidery work in the top. So it's the hand embroidery. All the dress materials are priced at 950. The fabric of the top is slub silk, okay, and the bottom is cotton, and the dupatta is a pure Banarasi dupatta. This is the set number 1, okay. It's actually a light pinky shade. It's a kind of a peach, not exactly peach. It's a light pink color. Okay. So this is how the dress material will be looking. If you want to order or if you want to block or any enquiries, please take the screenshot of the picture and send me to the WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 91505 56870. I have mentioned it in the description. So I am moving with the next one. All the dispatches will be starting post the lockdown, okay. So the date is not yet finalized as per the government, as you all know. So once the lockdown is completed, the dispatch will be starting. You can block it. If the order is really confirmed, you can block the product and you can make the payment once the lockdown is over before dispatching. So this is the set number 2. It's a green color. The top is green color. The bottom and the dupatta is a light pink shade. Okay. So I will show you the handwork embroidery. Closer look. So this is the handwork embroidery. So this is the second set. Please take the screenshot. The colors will be lightly varying in the video due to the resolutions. So I will be posting the pictures as with the real color possible as much as possible. Okay, we will be posting the real colors only. If any color variation is there, I will be mentioning in the photos also. So please refer to the photos in my page Sri Purnima after this live session. So this is the third one. Since it is a dress materials, it will be a little time consuming for showcasing. So the dupatta is a pure Banarasi dupatta. Okay, it's a pure Banarasi dupatta. And the bottom is a pure cotton. The top is slub silk. Okay. It's not pure silk, it's slub silk with hand embroidery. So in this one you have this kind of embroidery. It's a mustard yellow with reddish combination. It's a dark maroon with red combination. So this is the third one. So this is the embroidery you have in the top. Okay. All of the top has a bottom with a patchwork. So this is the third set. And this is the next one. It's a dual shade. It's a orange with red combination. And you have a plain red color bottom. In the dupatta you have the tassels also. And this is a ivory color. It's a half white. It's a ivory white color. And you have this kind of embroidery in the top. It will be in the yoke part. Okay. So this is the dupatta come design. Okay. It's a ivory white color with reddish pink, orange base, red and orange base. No ma'am, I don't know Hindi ma'am, I'm sorry. I know only Tamil and English. So I don't know Hindi. And this is a green with yellow combination, and it also has a dual shade. It will be having an orange base also in the dupatta. So this is as a multicolor again. It's a orange and yellow color in the dupatta. And this is the top. It's a green color. It's very lovely color. And the yellow color bottom. So in the yoke part you have the heart designed embroider. All of them are hand embroidery. Okay. So this is how the dupatta and the top will be looking. Okay. Please take the screenshot for the enquiries. My WhatsApp, the price is 950 ma'am. 950, shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and shipping cost. Okay. We will be dispatching either via e-delivery or DTDC. Whichever is possible for your pin code and fast delivery, we will be using that particular transportation. So DTDC or e-delivery is our problem. Sorry, not e-delivery, it's delivery. Okay. So this is the dupatta. It's again a reddish base. It's a yellow color top. You have the design, yoke design like this. And you have the red pant. It's a yellow and red pant. The price is 950. The fabric is slub silk. Okay, it's a fabric is a slub silk material. The dupatta is a pure Banarasi dupatta. So you have a green base with a red color top, and the yoke part is like this. Okay, this is the design in the yoke part, and this is a green cotton pant. So in the photos we will be trying to give the color, real color as much as possible. There might be slight variations due to the effects and the not effects. I won't put any effects, just lights and the resolution. So you can refer to the pictures also, which I will be posting in the page. So again a pink base. So this is the pink. In all the dupatta you have a zari work. Okay, it's a pure Banarasi dupatta. So it's a navy blue, royal blue with pink combination. So this is how the dress material will be looking. This is the last dress material I have in this particular collection. All of them are priced at 950, 950. So shipping charges is extra. Okay, so this is the collection I have in the dress material. Next one is a chiffon designer way. It's a chiffon designer way. This is the material is chiffon, okay, but it has the embroidery work and the stone work. I will show you the closer look. Okay, you have the you have this kind of embroidery work and also the stone work, stone and pearl work. Stones and the pearls are used with the glue and the embroidery is done. Okay, you have the embroidery in the saree. This will be in the all over the saree. Okay, you have the buttas and also the border part like this. The fabric is chiffon. It's very silky also. The fabric is such a way. Okay, and in the blouse also you have the design. I will show you the saree. Okay, due to the work you have the borders alone in the weighted part, but the saree is lightweight only. Okay, you have the design all over the saree. So this is the pallu. In the pallu part you have the buttas very in a closer way. Okay, in the all over the pallu you will be having the buttas. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking in the pallu. And in the body part, okay, in the body part you have the buttas only in the bottom. In the top it is a plain one. Okay, so this is the full view of the saree. Okay, this is the body part and I will show you the blouse now. So this is the blouse. In the blouse you have this kind of embroidery. This is the embroidery again with the pearl work. So this is the embroidery you have in the back part. Okay, this will be coming in the back part in the blouse. So this is the design you have. The fabric is chiffon and you have this kind of embroidery in the body part. Okay, and this is the pallu part. Okay, I have two colors in this design. One is a blue color and the other one is a parrot green color. These are priced at 1800. Shipping charges is extra. The same shipping charges is applicable. 60 rupees within in Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. So if you have any orders or any enquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me to 9150556870. That is my WhatsApp number. So resellers are also welcome. Resellers will be given a decent margin. So that's all I have for today. Maybe in another few days, maybe by Monday or Tuesday, I will be coming up with the next set of collection. Thanks for watching. Thank you.